Hi everybody, my name is Casey and I just wanted to take a moment to make a quick introduction video for this new YouTube channel I'm starting called Just the Right Stitch. So a little bit about me, like I said, my name is Casey and I'm a third-year graduate student studying neuroscience. So during the day I study the brain. The specific part of the brain that we look at is the serotonin system. And then I also am a single mom of two truly wonderful boys that just started 4th and 3rd grade this week. So one thing that I'm asked a lot is what started me on crocheting. And I first learned how to crochet when I was about 9 or 10 years old. I went to New Mexico to visit some family down there, and my aunt taught me how to crochet during that stay. And so I've actually been crocheting for about 17 years now. Been a lot of fun and it's been a while. It's something I truly enjoy doing. Some of the things that I truly enjoy about crocheting is that I find it truly relaxing. So it's something that I usually do at night when I'm trying to wind down for bed. I enjoy it. I just think it's really relaxing for me. And another thing that I really love about crocheting is that me as a person, I truly enjoy giving gifts to other people. And I personally think there's nothing more enjoyable and rewarding than gifting something to somebody that I wasn't able to just go to the store and purchase. It was something I had to make for them. And it's something that's truly personalized and it just gives it that extra special touch. And so I just love gifting people things that I was able to make for them. So then the reason why I decided to start this channel is about 6-ish years ago, I started my side business for crocheting called Just the Right Stitch, because so many people had been asking me to make them commission projects. So that's why I decided to start the company or the side business of Just the Right Stitch. And then when I started graduate school about 3 years ago, I ended up being a lot busier than I had anticipated. And so I wasn't able to accept as many commission projects as I used to be able to. And so I felt bad about that, and I really wanted to be able to share crocheting with people still. So I thought about it and I decided, you know, if I can't make commission projects for you, maybe something I can do is teach you guys how to crochet. That is why I decided to start this channel. I decided to start it so I could teach other people how to crochet. And I am so excited to start this journey with you. So I've never done this before. I've never made a YouTube video. This is my first time recording. So I think it'll be a really fun journey to go on together where I can teach you something new. You guys can teach me on what you guys are looking for and ways that I can improve the videos. I would love to hear any feedback that you have, and I'd love to hear any requests on future videos and what you'd like to see more of, what you didn't like as much. Any feedback that I get from you would be truly appreciated. I'm so excited to get started on this journey. My hopes for this channel is that I'm going to start off by doing some simple basics of crocheting and teaching you the basic stitches, how to start, and then maybe doing some really simple projects so that you can use the lessons that I taught you and see how they work when making projects. And then after we get all the basics down, I would love to start doing some tutorials, some walkthroughs on more complex projects, on even doing some things that you guys request to see, things that I've done in the past, maybe giving out patterns through these tutorial videos. There's so much that we can do with crocheting, and I'm so excited to show you guys all the different things that you can do and to share this journey together and to share the joy of crocheting with you. If you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and to hit the bell so you don't miss our future videos. You don't want to miss the videos where we're going to teach you how to crochet, something that you're learning for free. And in the future, you could even use the lessons that I taught you to make projects for other people or start your own side business for crocheting. And also, if you have a moment, please make sure to follow Just the Right Stitch on Facebook and on Instagram so you can see the projects that I've made in the past and see some sneak peeks on future upcoming content and so much more. Also, when you have a moment, check out my other links. Please check them out. There's going to be some fun links going on, and don't forget to comment any ideas or suggestions that you have for future content. I'm so excited to get started with you. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.